Welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we'll see how to create a word replacing bash script on Ubuntu 21.04. A bash shell program was written by Brian Fox as an upgrade version of Bourne Shell's such program. Bash provides the ability to view or modify the readline key bindings with the built-in commands. First, I'm going to check the OS version by using following command. It is Ubuntu 21.04. Next, I'm going to create a sample text file. Press escape :WQ for save and exit from this file. Next, I'm going to create a script file. I'm naming this file as sample. Script file must be in .sh extension. Here, the first line of the bash script must be shebang symbol bin/bash. Here, first I'm defining the while loop. Next, I'm giving echo command. Next, to get the input file name, I'm using the read variable. Next, I'm going to get the pattern from the user. For that, first I'm selecting the pattern. Next, to replace, I'm selecting the replacing word. Next, I'm going to add the command. Here I'm using the set command. In the set command, I'm going to define the variable here. Which get the user input variable var2 and var3. I'm using G option for replace all the possible patterns. Next, I'm using the variable 1 for the file name. Next, for viewing the file, I'm using the cat command. Next, for using this file again, I'm using the following line. I'm using the variable here y. I'm calling that variable in case. Here, the possible of y is capital Y and small y. To need to run this program again, I'm using to execute the script again. For n, it will exit from this script. After that, exit from this loop. Now press escape :wq for save and exit from this file. Next, to run this file, we need to give the executing permission for the sample file. I'm seeing the permission. It is executable. Now I'm going to execute that file. It's prompting for the file name. I'm giving the file name test, which was created. I'm selecting the pattern. I'm going to giving the replaceable pattern. Changes is completed. Changes is completed. Next, if I need to run this again, I'm giving yes for y. I'm giving again the file name. I'm selecting the already given pattern. Changed. I'm changed the all possible words. Now I'm going to exit from the file from pressing N. By this, how to create a word replacing bash script on Ubuntu 21.04 has been completed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.